Now I would like to introduce one by one to you. The small one, the size is 70 cm, just 70 cm, with single stem, 2 branches, and with just I think it's 11 leaves. Now I will show you the trunk. And the color of the leaves, big one and small one. Now, so this one, number 38. Next one. This one. Okay. More big leaves, this one. And the size of this one is 65 cm. And the price is 39. Okay, the number 39. Now, let's go on. This one, also think one with big branch, 2 big branches. And you can see, if from here, you can see the back side of the leaves. The back side. Okay, take a close looking. The back side of the leaves in brown color. And this one is number 40. So let's go to another design. Okay, let's see. A big tree. Okay. Let's put it here. Okay. Okay, just put here. The size of this one, 1.35 meters. With several branches, with 4 big trunks. This one, okay, the material is just plastic with painting, not PU. It's hard. Okay, rubber tree also is very popular for home decoration. And the leaves also is soft. I think this is a nice shape. So this one, number 41. and 135 cm. Now let's go to the next one.